So let's talk about the OSI reference model. First off, the OSI reference model does not describe a particular protocol suite. We call it a reference model because we use it to describe how networks should function, not how a specific protocol does. The OSI reference model has 7 layers. From top to bottom, it's application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. The application layer provides process-to-process communication, so think software to software, web browser to web server. The presentation layer handles common data representation. Now this is a little harder to visualize. Sometimes it's easier to think of this as a file format like JPEG or GIF or PDF, which guarantees that the data is going to look the same across every platform. The session layer organizes and manages the data exchange between the two devices. The transport layer is responsible for segmenting, transferring, and reassembling the data at the destination device. The network layer is responsible for transferring individual pieces of data across the network. This, by the way, is where routing happens. The data link layer exchanges frames over common media. This is where switches operate. And finally, the physical layer transfers individual bits of information over media from one device to another. These layers are frequently referred to by number starting from the bottom up. So the physical layer becomes layer 1, the data link layer becomes number 2, network is number 3, transport is number 4, session is number 5, presentation is number 6, and application is number 7. So remember what we talked about at the beginning. The OSI reference model does not describe what happens with any specific protocol, but what it does do is illustrate what needs to happen during network communication.